Hey everyone, Pharaoh Silver here with another beer money review. Okay, so after about a month and a half of nothing but fitness apps, I have to tell people no, I did not just turn into a fitness channel. It's just the Google ads whenever I run ads on Atlas Earth, Terramine, Bridge, or now FitCash are hitting me with a ton of walking apps at once. And lately, it has been giving me a lot of Money Walk ads. Well, I'll give Money Walk its day in the sun when things get a bit cooler. Let's talk about the other app I'm getting an absolute crap ton of ads over. An app that tells you that you can make real Bitcoin taking care of pets. And from the looks of these ads and how aggressively they've been advertising the last few months, I needed to make a review on it to see if it was worth your time or not. This is the Beer Money review of ByPet, but before we do that, if you like Beer Money videos like these, would you please? ByPet was developed by PetPet Tech Limited and is a mobile hybrid of a virtual pet simulator, casual farm builder, and an idle Bitcoin mining reward app. I see that we're off to a great start here. This is their third app, but the first one that would qualify as beer money by my criteria. While it pitches itself as a relaxing way to raise digital animals and earn crypto, beneath the cute surface sits a classic ad reward and pay to win style framework. So when you start the app, you will first get given a bunch of offers and all that, but once you click the X's on those, you receive this horned frog as your starting pet. And until you put money down, it will be your only pet. Once every 24 hours, you can give the frog 6 horned frog food by pressing the button on the middle. So if you go down here to daily free Bitcoin, and go over here, and you will see it says horned frog food. You go ahead and click claim. One food gives you 10 minutes of Bitcoin producing time. So 6 food amounts to 1 hour of Bitcoin producing time at the hash rate of 100 gigahash per second. You can also get additional ads for 6 more foods, up to 25 of them a day, by pressing the claim button on the right. It will run an ad and you'll be rewarded with an additional hour. So yeah, you can stack up enough hours if you watch enough ads so that you can get to a point that you have enough hours. If you want to take a day off, you're more than welcome to once you have built up enough. For newcomers, you can go through their reward tasks within a 2-week period and earn up to 500 Satoshi doing so. Most of the achievements are things like logging in, feeding your pet, watching ads, and playing a farm game. So yes, there is also a farm game, and I'm going to go to it right now, where you can actually build crops and sell them to earn profit on the coins. Oh, my crops also got stolen. That's another piece of the farm game. We'll get to that in a bit. But yes, I'm going to go ahead now and pick up my crops here. You can then trade in the coins for pet food if you go to the pet food shop on the top right. So I'm going to tap pet food shop. And here you can see horned frog food. I'm going to go to it. One thing I noticed, at least for the frog food, however, is that as you buy more food, the price of the frog food goes up. So the first one is 6.67K. And the next one is a bit over 8K. The next one is close to about 10K, and so on. So much for buying in bulk. Much like other social games, you can go to other people's crops and you can steal their crops for more coins yourself. You can go to friends here, you can go to timeline, and then just revisit anyone that tried to steal your crops. And there we go. I'm going to steal some crops here. And we go to the warehouse, and we can use the warehouse to sell whatever we gotten. So I'm going to sell all here. I'm going to confirm. And there's another 19K. Referral rewards are 5% of the lifetime earnings of all your referrals. That's pretty much it. No upper limit to what you can earn, no upper limit to the number of people you can invite. I wonder if they check for double accounts, but I'm not 100% sure. The withdrawal threshold, though, which is probably the best thing about ByPet, I'm going to go to it now. The withdrawal threshold, if you notice in the bottom here, is only 20 Satoshi. If you tap withdraw, you can choose between the Lightning Network and the BTC network. Obviously, you can only withdraw 20 Bitcoin through the Lightning Network, so we're going to go to the Lightning Network. And you have a bunch of wallets that you can choose from. Speed Wallet and ZBD Wallet, there's an exchange, and any other wallet as well. Now, for most of you, you probably are using ZBD, so you would tap ZBD. and you would put your Satoshi down for that. I can confirm, though, from several people that it in fact does pay. However, there's a bit of a problem, and that's what this next segment is going to be about. Let's go to that math. So during the time I played, I was earning approximately, and I'm going to actually put this out here, 0.1200488 Bitcoin a second, which is about 0.0000488 Satoshi a second. Per month, that is about 128.3 Satoshi. If you manage to keep the 20% bonus running perpetually, if you probably noticed that in the start of my review, you can up this to 151.8 Satoshi a month, which at the time of my recording translates to 9.8 cents a month. Yeah. When I was investigating, I was earning about 0.120501 Bitcoin a second instead, which right now would have given me 156 Satoshi a month after the bonus. So just to make this clear, even if Bitcoin made it to the ultimate goal for every Bitcoin enthusiast, $1 million USD, you're basically looking at about $1.50 a month off this. That basically means that if you want to gain more, you'll have to buy one of their pets. The good news is, if you buy one of their pets, you will be earning Bitcoin off of it for as long as this app is around. The bad news? Well, let's take the example of the $4.99 hamster pet for 150 gigahash a second. Now the frog is normally at 100 gigahash a second, and with a 20% bonus is earning you, as we said, 9.8 cents a month. So with a 1.5x boost with the hamster, which I assume with a 20% boost would become 180 gigahash a second, you would be earning approximately 14.7 cents per month. Does not look like they charge maintenance fees, however. At 14.7 cents a month, assuming you run the 20% bonus perpetually, you are looking at getting your money back in about 34 months, or almost 3 years. Okay, that's for the $4.99 one. But if you go further into the $9.99 one, you see that the pet offers the exact same rate for twice the price. I don't even need to do any fancy math for this one, just double the time it takes to get your money back. So 68 months or over 5.5 years. And every pet afterward will take you somewhere between 5 to 5.5 years to get your money back after the hamster. There's some big problems here. One, I don't trust ByPet to be around for 5 years. I mean, great if they do, but I have my doubts about that, as with any crypto mining app, period. Not to mention, if you're taking the pay-as-you-go option, it will take 5 additional years at the start just to save up your money that you earn here to buy the hamster. Second, the rates are horrible. For as long as Bitcoin is around $50,000 or more, you're better off going on Go mining and mining there. Not to mention, they are far more established, and normally I wouldn't recommend a paid option over a free option, but in this one case, the free option is only technically free in the sense that picking up a dime on the ground once a month would be considered beer money. It's technically free money, but what the hell are you going to do with a dime? I can't even buy a Tootsie Roll at a candy shop for a dime anymore. Pros first. I do kind of like the novel concept of trying to make a play-to-earn game off of taking care of pets. However, I do wish that they did better with it, especially since it sounds like this is not their first rodeo into apps involving training or taking care of virtual pets. The farm game, I think, does have genuine potential as well. I don't know why. It kind of just reminds me of the garden from the Flash game Anti-Idol so many years ago, and I love that game. It got a nostalgic feel to it for me, and I can appreciate that. Also, the threshold is very, very low at 20 Satoshi. This is about as low as it's going to get, but to cash out at all, you're probably going to need it. Notice how all the pros involve the game itself rather than the earnings, with the exception of that threshold. Yeah. Well, that's the first con. The beer money earnings are barely beer money at all. 10 cents a month? Are you kidding me? Why are you even bothering advertising this? Even the low-end stuff that I barely think is worth my time are at least offering $3 to $5 a month. This is an absolute joke. Clearly, they want us to buy the pets, but the pets outside of the hamster will require half a decade to get our money back, which is way too risky for something like this. Also, I'm going to leave a gameplay con as well. You can't do anything else with your pet but pet it and feed it. And actually, yes, you can pet it for free once a day. Watch. He is petted. He has been petted. But please, add some functionality to the game if you want to make it at least somewhat fun. The farm game is a start, but I really need this app to add some more outside of just doing the bare minimum to entertain. We have enough of these sloppy mobile apps now. I'm getting sick of it. Like, I stopped even reviewing these play-to-earn game apps for the exact same reason, because they're all carbon copies of each other. So please, do something more than the bare minimum for your app. Final rating, 1 star out of 5. The earnings are absolutely pathetic. It pays, but it's a complete waste of time. Minus in-game bonuses, you're going to be playing 20 to 22 ads every single day for 10 cents a month. At 1 cent an ad, with even a mediocre beer money app, this would amount to $6 to $7 a month before daily login bonuses and other things. This is an app with admittedly some gaming potential, but the financial incentives are so abysmal, I cannot give this any more than 1 star. And if you're looking to actually take a chance on any sort of crypto mining app, this really isn't worth your time either. If you're bullish on crypto, you're better off taking a shot with Go Mining than this, because they are better tied to the price of Bitcoin, and it would be more worth it for your time anyway. And if Bitcoin prices went down, ByPet might be the better deal now, but I doubt they would keep the app payouts as is if it did. This app is just a complete waste of time, unless you really want to just tap a button to pet the frog once a day and feed it, which I'm pretty sure there are way better games out there to do that as well. Alright everyone, that is the video. I don't do referral codes on 0 and 1 star reviews. Yes, I will have 0 stars as well. Don't worry about that for now. If you want to check it out for yourself, be my guest, but yeah, there's just better things to do with your time, guys. Like this video if you like it, comment what you think of ByPet from what you've seen, and let me know if I left anything out. I could always change my review if something comes up that shows that they're a lot better than I thought, but otherwise, 1 star it is. Don't forget to subscribe as well to Pharaoh Silver. Big thanks to my supporters like Gold YouTube members Brandtastic 9174, Media Madness Entertainment 7832, and Silver YouTube members Poker Mouse, Proud Mama 0907, EY Spirit Seekers, Arctic Monkey 44, Azor High, and all my other silver level supporters and Beer Money Insiders. Thank you for being a supporter, as without you, this channel wouldn't be possible. Want to check out last week's stream? You can do so on the left, and I got another video for you as well on the right. I'm Pharaoh Silver, signing off. I will see ya in the next one.